Good morning, students. In our last lecture, we have seen that Dr. Sadao met from the general, and the general has promised to send some private murderer, and they know the art of inward bleeding, and they will remove the body from there. But as we know about the general was self-centered. General was self-centered, and he was thinking about his own pain, and in last you will come to know that he has forgotten all about it. And when Dr. Sadao came in the room, of the white man, he noticed that the white man has gone outside outside, and almost he was going to the garden. And he said that who has given you permission to go outside? And the white man said that I am not habituated of taking permission of anyone. Okay, and then after he said that you are all right, but he said that here is some pain. Doctor checked it. The doctor lifted his shirt and saw the place where was pain, and he said, oh, there is no problem. Gentle massage will require it. It would not bother me much. The young man said. But the young man said that it is not the cause of problem for me. The young face was gaunt. The young face of that man was very lean. Under the stubby blonde beard. Blonde beard I have explained already. Short and thick beard. Say, doctor, I have got something I want to say to you. Okay, the doctor wanted to say something to no. Say, doctor, I have got something I want to say to you. If I had not met a Jap like you, well, I would not be alive today. I know that. Okay, and he almost giving thanks to the doctor for saving his life, and also said that if I would have not met a man like you, I would have died. Sadao bowed, but he could not speak. Sadao bowed, bent, okay, in Japanese way, but he has not spoken a single word. Sure, I know that. Tom went on warmly. Tom was explaining. Tom was saying with warmness that it is sure, doctor, I know that. His big, thin hands gripping a chair were white at the knuckles. Okay, my dear students, knuckles is a hard place under the fingers. Okay, and doctor noticed that he was holding chair from his he was gripping, he was clutching, he was grasping a chair, and there were white knuckles. I have explained what is the knuckles. I guess if all the Japs were like you, there would have not been war. And he also explained that if all the Japanese are like you, there will be no war. Perhaps, Sadao said with difficulty. Okay, why Sadao said with difficulty? Because in the mind, Sadao's mind, it was going what was asked by general about the murder of this man. So he said difficulty, perhaps. Okay, and now I think you had better go back to bed. And Dr. Sadao said that I think that it would be better for you to go to bed. He helped the boy back into the room and then bowed. Good night, he said. Okay, and he helped the white man to get back into the bed, and he bent before him and said good night. Sadao slept badly that night. Sadao could not sleep that night. Time and time again he woke up. Time to time he woke up thinking he heard rustling of footsteps. Okay, and he was thinking that I am hearing the footsteps. Perhaps I am hearing the footsteps. Rustling means in Hindi sarsarahat, means the peoples are coming and he is hearing the footsteps of those people, and stones displaced in the garden, and stones are displacing, and stones are displaced at that time when anyone is walking there, anyone is going there. Okay, the sound of the sound of a twig broken or a stone displaced in the garden, noise such a man might make who carried a burden. Okay, and the sound of the breaking of the twig and the displacing of the stones were symbolizing that the people are carrying something. He was thinking that perhaps the murderers have come and they are carrying the body. Okay, and burden. The next morning he make an excuse to go first into the guest room. The next morning he wanted to go to the room of the white man, so he make excuses to go in his room. If the American were gone, and he then could simply tell Hannah that so to the general had directed. Okay, and he thought that if the white man is gone there, the white man was not there, the American was gone from there, then he could simply told Hannah as was directed by the general. But when he opened the door, he saw at one of that there on the pillow was the saggy blonde head. Okay, and when he opened the door, he find out that saggy, here is one word, saggy means full of long hair. So the man full of long hair was having his head on the pillow. He could hear the peaceful breathing of sleep. He was hearing that he was breathing. He was hearing that the man was breathing. It means he was sleeping. And closed the door again quietly. And he closed the door very quietly. He is asleep, he told Hannah. He is almost well to sleep like that. And he told Hannah that he is sleeping and it is good for him to sleep like that. What shall we do with him? Hannah, who whispered her old refrain. Hannah whispered her old refrain. Refrain means होता है, my dear, the first line of any song. The first line of the any song. Okay, the first line of any song. So Hannah once again asked the same question from her husband. What are you going to do with him? Sadao Sukh, I must decide in a day or two, he promised. Sadao said that I will decide in 1 or 2 days. But certainly he thought the second night must be in the night. He thought that today the murderer had not come. Perhaps the second night must be the night. There rose a wind that night. Okay, and that night the wind was blowing, and he listened to the sounds of the bending buffs, and the buffs were bending, and these sounds were clearly heard by him, and the whistling partisans. And the partisans means door. ठीक है ना, partisans means door, whistling partisans, whistling partisans means doors, and by the wind the doors were opening and closing. That sound was also coming. So now Hannah woke up. By this sound Hannah rose up or woke up. And ought we not go to close the sick man's partition? She asked from her husband, should we not go to the room of the sick man and close the door? No, Sadao said, he is able now to do it for himself. But Sadao said, no, we have no need to go there because he is able to do this. But the next morning the American was still there. Next morning he found American was still there. Then the third night, of course, must be the night. The mind changed, the wind changed into the quiet rain, and the garden was full of the sounds of dripping eaves. Eaves, dripping means falling water, and eaves means, my dear, overhanging edge of the tile. Overhanging edge of the tile. In Hindi I would like to tell you ओरी, किनारा किसी भी घर का. Okay, तो next night the wind change into the rain. The wind change into the rain. Okay, and the garden was full of the falling water sound. Sadao slept a little better, but he woke up at the sound of a crash of leap to his feet. Okay, but he woke up woke up after hearing that something is broken. Okay, after hearing something is broken. Okay, what was that? Hannah cried. The baby woke at her voice and began to wail. Okay, what was that? Hannah asked, what was that? Okay, means to say, my dear, after hearing any sound, Dr. Sadao woke up. The wife asked, what is that? What is this, man? What is this? Hannah cried, and the baby woke up. And the baby woke up with the voice of Hannah and began to weep. I must go and see. I must go and see. And I am going, and I will see what is happening there, what is going on there. I am going. Okay. Hannah said that I am going to see, but he held her hand and would not let her move. Okay, but he has held her hand. Yeah, he held her hand. He hold her hand and forbade her to move. Sadao, she cried, what is the matter with you? She asked, Sadao, what is wrong with you? Don't go, he muttered. Don't go. No, Dr. Sadao said, no, don't go, you have no need to go. His terror infected her. Okay, influenced her. His terror influenced her. Where is the line? And she stood breathless, waiting. And she was standing, and she was waiting, and her breath was stopped. Okay, not dead, stopping her breath. She was waiting. There was only silence. Together they crept back into the bed and the baby between them. And again they went to the bed and the baby slept between them. Yet when he opened the door of the guest room in the morning, there was the young man. Okay, means after third day, Dr. Sadao waited for 3 nights, and next day when he opened the door of the guest room, he found that the young man was still in the room. He was very gay. He was happy and had already washed and now on his feet, and he has washed, and he was standing on his feet. He had asked for a razor yesterday. Why he has washed himself? Why he has cleaned himself? Because he has asked for a razor yesterday and the razor was provided to him, so he has cleaned his beards and washed himself, and he was ready. He had asked for a razor yesterday and has shaved himself, and today there was a faint color in his cheeks, and today the color of his cheeks were appearing, but it was not glowing, means to say there was no glow in it. I am well, he said joyously. Happily he said that he was well. Sadao drew his kimono. Once again I would like to explain you that what is kimono. A Japanese robe, in Hindi a Japanese robe, dress, एक जापानी ढीला वस्त्र. ओके, यस. हाँ, Sadao drew his kimono round his very body. His body was tired because he has not slept for 3 nights perfectly, and he could not. He decided suddenly go through another night. It was not that he cared for this young man's life. No, simply it was not worth the strain. Okay, my dear, Sadao threw his kimono on himself. ठीक ना? Threw his kimono, or Sadao wear his kimono, and his body was tired. Okay, and he decided that I cannot wait for any more night. Where is the line? Okay, and now he is saying that ki no, simply it was not worth of strain. Okay, he is saying that ki now I was unable to bear out the problem anymore. Okay, You are well, Sadao agreed. Sadao said that you are good, you are recovered, you are well. In his lowered voice, he lowered his voice, but his voice was low. His voice was low. You are so well that I think if I put my boat on the shore tonight with the food and extra clothing in it, you might be able to row to that little island, not from the coast. Okay, and he said that you are recovered and you have got some strength, and I am thinking that if I put my boat with some extra clothing and food, so you can row to that island which is not very far away from the coast, where my house is situated. It is so near. It is so near. Oh, it is so near the it is so near the coast that it is not have been fortifying. It has not been fortifying. Fortifying means protecting. Means that island is very near, so it is out of protection. So it is out of protection. Okay. Nobody lives on it. Okay, it is totally empty because in the storm it is submerged. Submerged मतलब डूब जाना हिंदी में, drowned. Okay, and no one lives on it because in storm time it is drowned. But this is not the season of storm. You could live there until you saw a Korean fishing boat pass by. Okay, and you can live there until you can see the Korean boat passing from there. They pass quite near the island. The Korean boats always pass by the near of the island because the water is many fathoms. Deep. Many fathoms deep. This is a phrase, means very deep. The water is very deep there. The young man stared at him, slowly comprehending. Do I have to? He asked. Okay, and the young man gets surprised to hear this. Oh, what is going to happen? I have to do. Okay, the young man stared at the doctor, and slowly he has got everything. He has understood everything. Do I have to? He asked. I have to do all these. I think so. Sadao said gently that yes, you have to do. You understand? It is not hidden that you are here, and everyone has come to know about your existence in my house. The young man nodded. The young man nodded in perfect comprehension. Okay, the young man shook his head. Because till now he has understood everything. Sadao did not see him again until evening. Sadao did not see him again until evening. Until evening he has not seen to the white man. As soon it was dark, he had dragged the stout. As soon as it gets dark, stout means strong, and he has drawn the strong boat down to the shore, and in it he put food, bottled water that he has bought secretly during the day, and he put some water bottle, food which Dr. Sadao has purchased secretly during the day, heedlessly during the day, as well as 2 quilts he had bought in a pawn shop, and he has brought 2 quilts. From the pawn shop. Okay, and would you like to ask? Pawn shop? Pawn shop means the shop of a pawn broker, means sahukar की दुकान. Okay, in Hindi. The boat he tied to a post in the water. He has tied the boat in the water by the post. Post means you can say a place where you can tie your boat, जहाँ पर आप अपनी नाव को बांध देते. That is called post. For the tide was high. Why? He has tied the boat because that night the tide was very high. Tide means Jwarbhata. There was no moon and he worked without a flashlight. The sky was totally dark because there was no moon and he worked without a flashlight. Why? He has not used flashlight because he knew very well that if I am going to use the flashlight, it will be seen. Okay. When he came to the house, he entered as though he were just back from his work. When he returned his house, he came in his house in such a manner as he was returning from the work. And so Hannah knew nothing. So Hannah could not know anything. Yumi was here, she said as she served his supper. When Hannah was serving the evening meal to her husband, she said that Yumi had come today. Though she was so modern, still did not eat with him. Okay. And obviously Hannah was very modern because first of all she was the wife of a doctor and she has also studied in America. Okay, so she was modern, but she has never eaten with the her husband. Yumi cried over the baby and she informed that Yumi was weeping to see the baby. She went on with a sigh. She misses him so, and she went on with a sigh, and she was explaining all this with the sigh. Sigh means होता है after weeping when you take a long breath, that is called sigh. Okay, she misses him and she told her husband that she was missing the baby too much. Oh guys, thank you, that is sufficient for today, and I promise in next lecture I will finish it.